Hi, my name is Lukas. I'm working for Pfannenberg as product manager for signaling solutions, and today I'd like to show to you our new product, the PAL-1R. The PAL-1R is a combi device consisting of a sounder and an LED, and is completing our portfolio consisting of Pyra and Petrol series. Today I brought with me the PAL-1R as the RGB variant, but we also offer it in different lens colors or a pure sounder. When delivered, you can find a QR code on the box of the device, which is leading you to an installation video showing how easy this device can be installed. We do not need any tools for it, as the device comes opened with an open lens, and the connection of the cable can be fulfilled without any tools. Today I brought the RGB variant, and I've configured the device as a status indication light for machinery, for example, so we have the typical traffic light colors. Green if everything runs smoothly, yellow if maybe material is lacking already, or in the next step, red with the sounder to show that there is an alarm occurring. Thanks for watching. If you are interested in further product videos, check out our YouTube channel or visit pfannenberg.com. Thank you.